What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new type of video here that I'd like to try and film with the F-Type. Actually, a little bit of a distraction. Look at that W205 C63. That's almost exactly like my old car. That's a pre-facelift, but it's a brilliant blue metallic. Look at that. Anyway, so this video is going to be a new type of video here with the F-Type. I've had a couple people request a point of view test drive video, so I figured I'd take the chance here today and try and film one of those here for you guys. I have my point of view set up right here on the baseball hat, or Mercedes cap, if you will, that everyone does when they film these videos. It's ironic because we actually just saw that C63 drive by, but I bought this hat when I had the C63. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and hop in the car here and see how this video turns out. Like I said, this is going to be a little bit of an experiment, so please let me know your feedback down in the comments below, but we'll get some driving impressions, some kind of quiet, point of view style, if you will, and some exhaust clips as well. A quick little overview on the car for those who are new to the channel. This is my 2015 Jaguar F-Type R. It is the 5-liter supercharged V8. I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. I've already filmed kind of a full tour and everything on this car, so if you guys are interested, just feel free to search my channel. But this is the 5-liter supercharged V8. This is the rear-wheel drive model. The 2015s were the only model year to have that. That's 550 horsepower and 502 foot-pounds of torque. 8-speed automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, obviously, like I said. 0 to 60 in the high 3-second range, and top speed is limited to around 186 miles an hour. And all the nice cars are out today. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's a really nice 996 right there. Looks like a base Carrera. Very nice. But like I said, this is the 5-liter, so it has an amazing exhaust note, no particulate filters or anything like that. And we'll go ahead and film a startup here for you guys before we hit the road. We'll go ahead and put the car in accessory mode here, and we'll go ahead and open the valves fully. And in order to do that, you put it in dynamic mode, put your foot on the brake and hit the button. And put the car in dynamic mode here. As you can see, the flag and the gauge cluster turns red. We'll go ahead and put the transmission into sport or manual with the 1 in the gear selector here, and hopefully you guys can hear it, but the exhaust gets very loud. I'll go ahead and be quiet here for a second. It sounds absolutely incredible from the inside. Let me see if I can crack the window for you guys. With this hat on, I kind of have to duck to see the green lights. This is my favorite section of the road right here. I love this uphill. It's really a tight left-hander here. This car takes it no problem. back into a standard mode here, put the car transmission back in automatic, and conclude the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video here, this test drive of my F-Type. I have a ton more content of this car coming soon. I really enjoyed making this video, but let me know how I can sort of fix the angles or improve the quality or anything. And if you guys want me to film more of these videos, and I'll be happy to do so. But if you did enjoy nonetheless, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe for a ton of cool content coming very soon, and I'll catch you in the next one.